We gaan naar China, naar onze correspondent Sjoerd den Daa. Sjoerd, jij staat vlakbij het stadion. Wat gaat China de komende uren laten zien?
Ja. 哎，稍等一会儿，往前在新闻联播。Ja, we worden hier inmiddels, je merkt het, al weggetrokken. We zijn net ook al bij een ander gebied weggezet. Dus ik vrees dat wij later even bij je moeten terugkomen.
Dat kan halen, ja. Dat denk ik ook, Sjoerd. We gaan door met het volgende onderwerp. Ja.
I set up a burner computer, which is what we're talking on right now. I have a burner phone. I even have a burner iPad with me just to be doubly sure. So, none of my usual identities are on that. Most of my accounts aren't logged into while I'm here. This is a very surveilled country, and it's run by a government that's known to do a lot of state-sponsored hacking and gathering of massive amounts of personal data, both internally and allegedly externally.
We can operate as reporters in the closed loop without restrictions, but the restrictions inherent in the closed loop prevent us from, doing the kind of reporting that, someone who is a foreign correspondent here would, do year round.
Essentially, you're submitting yourself to such total surveillance that there's almost freedom in that. There's cameras absolutely everywhere, but you're not looking over your shoulder wondering if you're being tailed because you're speaking to a Chinese dissident. A video interview, is it okay if I go for the COVID test as soon as I finish it? Yes, now I just need to finish this video interview, and then I'll come down. I'll be there in 10 minutes, if that's okay. Thank you very much. Bye. There you go, right on it.